Hello fellow travelers and smoothie enthusiasts. We're thrilled to have you back on our channel. Here are the top 5 smoothies that seamlessly blend health and deliciousness. A delightful souvenir from our journey through sun-kissed Strand bars worldwide. The recipes for these irresistible concoctions await you in the detailed description below. Imagine sipping on a chilled exotic smoothie, bursting with flavors you've never tasted before. Welcome to our global smoothie journey, where we'll be exploring a variety of the best unique recipes from around the globe. From the rich, luscious mango lassis of India to the vibrant, health-packed acai bowls of Brazil. We're going to dive into the diversity of ingredients that make each of these smoothies special. So let's start our exciting smoothie adventure, from the tropical islands of Hawaii to the bustling streets of India. Our journey unfolds in India, the land renowned for its spices, beginning with the invigorating lassi. This delicious beverage, a fusion of ripe mango, luscious yogurt, a splash of sugar or honey, and a dash of cardamom, is a quintessential Indian favorite. The mango, hailed as the king of fruits in India, is not just an essential component of this smoothie, but also a powerhouse of vital nutrients. Mangoes are rich in vitamins C and A, full of fiber, and packed with potent antioxidants, which contribute to enhancing immunity, promoting eye health, and reducing the risk of certain cancers. India prides itself on over 1,000 varieties of this nutritious fruit, each with its distinct taste and texture. The mango's inherent sweetness and luxuriant tropical flavor are the highlights of the mango lassi. Next up is yogurt, a cornerstone in Indian cuisine. Referred to as dahi locally, yogurt is not only appreciated for its creamy texture and tangy flavor, but also for its multitude of health benefits. It's a great source of protein and calcium, supporting bone health and aiding in digestion due to its probiotic content. Its cooling properties make it a perfect ally to the mango in our lassi. A sprinkle of sugar or honey lends extra sweetness and can be adjusted as per personal preference. The final is the cardamom, a spice native to India, which gives the mango lassi its characteristic aroma. Along with a wealth of health benefits, this tiny green pod, filled with black seeds, is a flavor dynamo and a natural source of essential minerals like potassium, calcium, and magnesium, which help regulate heart rate and blood pressure. The mango lassi in Indian culture is not merely a drink, but a tradition, particularly during the scorching summer months. It is often served as a warm welcome to guests or savored as a dessert following a substantial meal. Above all, the mango lassi is a testament to India's love for marrying flavors and textures. It's a drink that harmonizes the sweetness of ripe mangoes, the creaminess of yogurt, the subtle sweetness from sugar or honey, and the aromatic touch of cardamom to craft a refreshing medley of flavors that's beloved by all. With its straightforward recipe, distinctive taste, and abundance of health benefits, mango lassi truly encapsulates the dynamic flavors of India. Now let's samba our way to Brazil, the birthplace of the remarkable acai bowl. Let's plunge into the core of this tropical haven, where a special fruit, the acai berry, leads the pack. This small, dark purple fruit, native to the Amazon rainforest, boasts a flavor that's a delicious fusion of wild berries and chocolate. Rich in antioxidants, the acai berry is a powerhouse that not only boosts heart health, but also aids in weight loss. In Brazil, this health-packed berry is transformed into a refreshing bowl of wellness, the acai bowl. A symbol of the Brazilian cuisine and a testament to the country's rich biodiversity. The recipe, as delightful as it is simple, begins with frozen acai berry puree, blended with a ripe banana, a fruit known for its high potassium content and benefits for heart health. A splash of coconut milk, a source of beneficial fats and brain-boosting properties, is added to achieve a creamy, sorbet-like consistency. The beauty of the acai bowl, however, lies in its versatility. The option to garnish with granola, fresh fruits, coconut flakes, nuts, and a drizzle of honey. Each spoonful offers a harmony of textures and flavors that resonate with the sweet, luscious taste of the acai berry, banana, and coconut milk. Today, the acai bowl has gone beyond Brazil and has become a worldwide health sensation. It's more than a breakfast choice or post-workout snack. It's a lifestyle choice for those in pursuit of a balanced diet. This vibrant, antioxidant-rich dish nourishes the body, pleases the palate, and invigorates the spirit. Yet, despite its global fame, the acai bowl is most appreciated in its native land, Brazil. There's nothing quite like enjoying it under the Brazilian sun, samba tunes humming in the background, with stunning landscapes in sight. It's not just a meal, but a cultural experience, a taste of Brazil's lively lifestyle. Brimming with antioxidants and teeming with the acai bowl not only pays homage to Brazil's rich biodiversity, but also promotes health and wellness. Jumping from the lively beats of Brazil, we land in Mexico, ready to spice things up with the papaya banana smoothie. This delightful blend of ripe papaya, bananas, and the refreshing tang of lime delivers not only a tropical treat that will transport your taste buds to sunny Mexican shores, but also offers significant health benefits. Starting with papaya, this tropical fruit is not only delicious, but it's known for its digestive advantages. Rich in papain, a powerful digestive enzyme, papaya helps break down proteins and cleanses the digestive tract, promoting healthy and regular bowel movements. Then we have bananas, a fruit that's not just tasty, but also beneficial to your gut health. Their high fiber content aids in digestion, helping to prevent constipation and promoting overall digestive health. Bananas also pack a healthy dose of potassium, vital for heart health. The juice of one lime in this smoothie does more than just add a zesty flavor. Lime is packed with vitamin C, which boosts your immunity, and it also has antioxidant properties that help detoxify your body. And if you dare to add a pinch of cayenne pepper, you're in for a pleasant surprise. This spice is known to boost metabolism, aid in digestion, and may even relieve migraines and other types of pain. So, you see, the papaya banana smoothie is not just a delicious tropical treat, it's also a powerhouse of health benefits. This smoothie truly captures the spirit of Mexico and its commitment to fresh and healthful ingredients. So, the next time you're looking to shake up your smoothie routine, why not take a trip to the tropics with this Mexican delight? Remember, whether you like it spicy or not, this smoothie is all about savoring the flavors of Mexico and boosting your health. Here's to making your day a little more tropical and healthier, one sip at a time. From the spicy fiestas of Mexico, let's surf over to the tropical paradise of Hawaii's islands, where we find the inspiration for our healthful tropical green smoothie. Welcome to the lush landscapes of Hawaii, where the vibrant colors of nature come alive, and the air is filled with the intoxicating aroma of fresh fruits. Let's start with the primary ingredients of our smoothie and discuss their health benefits. Our first stop takes us to the pineapple fields, where we find the freshest pineapples. Not only are these pineapples juicy and sweet, but they're also loaded with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps boost your immune system. They also contain bromelain, an enzyme that aids digestion. Moving on, we add the soft, ripe flesh of a banana to our smoothie, a fruit brimming with potassium and vitamin B6. Bananas are excellent for heart health and can help regulate your blood pressure. Next, we introduce the king of tropical fruits, the mango. It has a rich, velvety texture and a taste that's the perfect balanced sweetness. Beyond their taste, mangoes are chock full of vitamins A and C and dietary fiber, promoting good overall health. But what makes our smoothie truly unique is the unexpected addition of spinach. Now, you might be thinking spinach in a smoothie, but wait till you try it. This leafy green is not only a nutrient powerhouse, but it also gives our smoothie a beautiful green hue. Mimicking Hawaii's lush landscapes, spinach is rich in iron, calcium, and vitamins A, C, and K1. It's beneficial for eye health, reducing oxidative stress, and aiding in preventing heart disease. Tying these flavors together is the creamy coconut milk, a staple in Hawaii, lending a silky smoothness to our smoothie. After a dance in the blender, emerges is our tropical green smoothie. This isn't just a delicious drink, it's a nutritious concoction offering a myriad of health benefits. So here's our aloha to you, the Tropical Green Smoothie. A drink that's not just a taste of Hawaiian paradise, but also a tribute to health and wellness, courtesy of the vitamins and minerals packed into its refreshing blend of sweet and savory. Leaving the tropical breeze of Hawaii behind, we touch down in Greece, celebrated for its fresh and nourishing cuisine, where we uncover the health-packed minty cucumber smoothie. Within the heart of the Mediterranean, this is a country deeply enamored with its fresh produce, and what could scream freshness more than a cucumber? Crisp, hydrating, and subtly sweet, this powerhouse vegetable not only provides a revitalizing base for our smoothie, but also brings with it an abundance of health benefits, including optimum hydration. Now, what truly catapults this smoothie to a higher health status is the introduction of fresh mint leaves. A core ingredient in Greek cuisine, mint not only adds an invigorating flavor, but also aids in digestion, infusing the smoothie with its aromatic and beneficial essence. It's an ingredient that truly signifies the Greek mastery of pairing simple ingredients for substantial health benefits. And let's not overlook Greek yogurt, a produce of Greece's rich dairy heritage. Creamy and tangy, it's the perfect companion to the cucumber and mint, offering a good source of probiotics, boosting gut health and the immune system. It further imparts a delightful richness to the smoothie, turning it into a satisfying snack or a light meal. Lastly, a squeeze of lemon juice enhances the flavors, while a drizzle of honey imparts just the right amount of sweetness. Each sip is not just a celebration of Greek flavors, but a testament to the country's culinary excellence in creating dishes and beverages that, as healthful as they are, flavorful. There you have it, the minty cucumber smoothie, a blend of cucumber, mint, Greek yogurt, lemon, and honey, all expertly mixed to create a smoothie that's as refreshing and health-packed as a Mediterranean breeze. Cool, refreshing, and filled with health benefits, the minty cucumber smoothie embodies the essence of Greek cuisine. What a journey it's been, discovering these diverse and delectable smoothies from around the globe. As we wrap up our global smoothie odyssey, let's clink glasses at a beach bar, the sun dipping below the horizon. Each sip is a reminder of the vibrant streets of India, the sun-kissed beaches of Brazil, the heart of Mexico, the tropical vibes of Hawaii, and the historic landscapes of Greece. They are proof that the world is full of delightful surprises, waiting to be discovered and savored. The waves serenade our adventure, and the sunsets echo our global toast. Here's to the wonders of discovery, to the cultures and people that opened their hearts to us, and to the joy of exploration. Sip by sip, we've traversed continents, blending not just ingredients but amazing stories. Subscribe for more adventures, more discoveries, and the endless joy of exploring the world. What is your best smoothie recommendation? Tell us in the comments below. Cheers.